Hello everyone, this is Noah from 9 to 5 Software. In this video, we'll look at some of the best photo editors for Android currently available on the App Store and also include further options to consider. Check out the links in the comments to get a free trial and a discount to the applications we look at. Before further ado, let's get started. Starting at number 3, we have Photoshop Lightroom. When most people think about photo editing, the name that pops in their head is Photoshop. Photoshop Lightroom is a mobile app that brings many of the same great features from the desktop to your phone. Most of the features work for free, but if you already have a subscription, you can sync across devices. Adobe has released a plethora of editing tools over the last couple of years. Included are some of the best photo editor apps available. Some of the options include Adobe Photoshop Express, Adobe Photoshop Mix, and Adobe Lightroom. Each one has a variety of features to help you do things. You'll be able to do simple stuff such as removing red eye to editing raw files taken by your smartphone or DSLR camera. Adobe Lightroom especially gets updated rather frequently with new features. The only potential caveat is that some of them require an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription in order to use all of the features. Those who already use Adobe CC should definitely just get these since they are included with a CC subscription anyway. Moving on, at number 2, we have Snapseed. It is another Google-owned photo editing application, but this app is a little more hardcore. It has very powerful photo editing tools and a wide selection of filters. If you're serious about photo editing, Snapseed is an exceptional app and it's completely free. Snapseed is a powerful Android photo editor developed by Google that carries quite a lot of features. It is available for free and is also advertising free. The app has a user-friendly interface which is easy to use. Just tap on the screen and open up any file you like. It comes with many different types of filters to modify the look of the photo, including 29 different varieties of tools. Once done with the editing, you can easily export the file to save it or share it with your friends. Just like you would expect, this free photo editing app comes with a range of preset filters. However, unlike most applications, you can edit these filters and even create your own from scratch. It also has all of the classic tools such as cropping, straightening, frames, text, vignettes, etc. And the sharpening feature does the job without making the image look grainy. Then things get a bit interesting. Snapseed has precision masking, which allows you to edit the depth of field. Photographers often do this to make the background blurry and bring the foreground even more into focus. Number 1. VSCO. Like Instagram, VSCO combines a camera, editing tool, and an online community. But it's all about the filters. This free photo app provides a set of stunning filters that make your photos look like they were taken on an analog film camera. These soft and subtle filters add a touch of class to your photos compared to many heavily filtered Instagram presets. And you can also adjust them via a simple slider. Of course, the app also has all the standard editing tools like adjustments, cropping, borders, and vignettes. You can also use VSCO to adjust the exposure, contrast, temperature, and skin tones. Once you're done editing your photo, you can share it with VSCO's community or to another social network. Like Instagram, the app even lets you share on WhatsApp and SMS using the inbuilt sharing feature.